Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the FINNS Bali Resort groundbreaking ceremony. We are here to mark the beginning of an exciting new chapter with the construction of this remarkable resort. The ceremony symbolizes not just the start of building a cycle structure, but also the creation of a future that filled with opportunities, growth, and unforgettable experiences.
And thank you all for joining us here today on this monumental occasion. Today's groundbreaking marks the start of an epic partnership between FINNS Group and Mirah Group.
Thank you everyone for coming. It's going to be exciting. We're really looking forward to it. But good luck everyone. Thank you very much.
It's a privilege to work with such a great team. There's going to be the perfect match.